Welcome to today's Market Cycle Outlook series of 5-minute videos. Let's have a look at the Dow. This is my old phasing. And prior to revising this phasing, there were some real concerns. So there was some uncertainty about this low being the 20-day low, which is on the 13th of April. The next low looks more like a 40-day low on the 29th of April. But that isn't what this phasing was saying. The other complication was the fact that, apart from the forecasts not being very clear, the future low zones were not clear either. Now, it's not just about the Dow, it's also about the fact that the S&P and the NASDAQ had pushed across all-time highs quite substantially. Now, the Dow, to this point in time, hadn't done that, but the other markets had, and that generated some concerns. So I have updated my phasing, and this is a draft version of my daily phasing. And instead of this 30th of March being a 20-week low, the alternative phasing suggests that it's a 4.5-year low. Now, that's considerably larger and justifies the strength of the move to the upside. Also, interestingly on here, the 20-day low, the one that was suspected as being the 20-day low on the 13th of April, lobbed right inside the low zone for that 20-day. Also, on the 29th of April, that turned out to be the 40-day low, as forecast by the low zone for the 40-day on this phasing. So already this phasing, this alternative phasing, was making better forecasts than the previous phasing. Looking forward, the suggestion here is that the next low is the 20-day low somewhere between the 9th of May and the 14th of May. Now, this new phasing, this alternative phasing, has to prove up. So at this stage, I'll be keeping an eye to both phasings, and I will continually assess which is making the best forecasts. Okay, thanks for watching.